Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pie pastry from scratch. First, ensure all your ingredients are very cold, especially the butter and water. Cut your butter into small cubes, about 1/2 inch, and place it in the freezer for 10 minutes. This step is crucial for achieving a flaky crust. Combine your dry ingredients, then quickly work in the cold butter until pea-sized pieces remain. Finally, add ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the dough just comes together. Once your ingredients are combined, gently bring the dough together without overworking it. Overmixing develops too much gluten, resulting in a tough crust. Form the dough into a flat disc, approximately 1 inch thick, and wrap it tightly in plastic wrap. Refrigerate the dough for at least 1 hour or even overnight. This chilling period is essential for the butter to firm up and the gluten to relax, making the dough easier to roll. When you're ready to roll, lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin. Roll the dough from the center outwards, rotating it often to prevent sticking and ensure an even thickness. Aim for a circle about 2 inches larger than your pie dish. Carefully transfer the dough to your dish, trimming and crimping the edges as desired. For a truly crisp bottom crust, consider blind baking it for about 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit before adding your filling. Don't worry if your dough cracks a little while rolling. Simply press it back together or use a small piece of extra dough to patch it. For future convenience, unbaked pie dough can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or frozen for several months. Just be sure to thaw it in the fridge before rolling. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.